Hello guys, welcome to AR tutorials. Now I'll be discussing task 2 assigned for me for the machine learning internship for the Codsoft. Now the task 2 basically was of the movie genre. Now whatever we have seen in task 1 was kind of very similar in the task 2. Just we have given the data set and we have to put a new technique, that is TF-IDF. Using that we have embeddings, and we have to just uh, pass it through, or we have to just pre-process it in such a way that we should perform the naive based logistic regression support vector machines. Means we have given the algorithms by the question itself, and we have to perform the task, and we have given the genres. Now we have to calculate its accuracies, predictions, scores, and we have to give that which genre or which how much we can predict more aptly. So let's move towards the task. Now this code, first I'll give you the what is our codes given. Now this is the description. Now let me just zoom out it. Now this was what we have given. The data is in like ID, title, genre, description. Now this was a training set, and now for the test set we have the same, and we have the source link also. Now I'll just give you the test set. We'll see the trainings test set. This is like we have given the ID, this is the name, then we have to find the genre, and we have given the description also. We have to just find it, what we have to do. Now similarly, now this is it. Now we'll just move towards the code. Now I'll just zoom it in. Okay, first we have import all the files. As we have seen that separator was the 3 colons, we have to separate the data, so that we have not given the data in the column format, we have given it in the text format. So there is always been a separator. If it is a space, you can enter a space. If it is a tab, you can enter a tab. Here we have specifically mentioned that we have 3 colons, so we have given 3 colons. I have imported all the 3 data sets, and I have just taken and seen that if heads and columns are okay, what it is, what are the titles, what are the genres. So whatever it is, we have just taken and analyzed it. We have first what we have given the IDs, it is there, we have title and genre. In second part we have given that IDs with the same descriptions. Similarly we have just merged it, and then we have plot count and genre. Then we have to give the descriptions and genre part. This is the column names. Then we have to train data set with if there are some blank, we have we have filled it with the space. And then we have just trained our data set. TF-IDF vectorization we have formed with maximum feature 5000. Whatever maximum features are there, we have just added, and what stop words are there, we have used the English as a stop word. So we have just extrained TF-IDF, and now test TF-IDF. In this we have just performed that fit and transform method. So whatever it is does, it just scans with the TF-IDF. I hope so you know the TF-IDF. It is just the frequency and login frequency times. With the simple formulations we can count whatever the repetition of numbers are there in the documents, that is TF-IDF. And basically what it is, that it basically tells you what are the rarest possibilities, or which data or which word is more important, and we have to find it with that. Then we have just X and Y train data set, and we have created. Now we have just passed it in the regression formulas, and we have calculated the ROCs. Now this much genres we have found from our data. Now sci-fi all over, and we have counted precision, recall, F1 and support. Whatever with the support we are calculating this all, precision, support, the recall. There are mathematical formulas. In this coding part we don't have to discuss it, because in the theoretical part it's important. Only for the knowledge it is required, that what it is for that. And then we have count the average macro, what are the average weightage, and this. Now same first we have done for the logistic regression. Now for the naive bayes, all are the different formulas, we just have to go through it. And here the naive bayes accuracy is 52, and the regression was 57. This was that, and the last is the linear SVC part, vector support machine. Then we have calculated the same. This is it. Thank you guys.